What if there was a way to completely erase the neighbor noise problem? In Siberia, a man named Vitaly came up with a soundproofing solution that almost feels like magic. He turned his apartment balcony into a solid noise-blocking barrier. First, he covered the floor with about 8 inches of foam, making sure there were no gaps at all. Then, he filled every seam and edge with even more foam, sealing the space almost airtight. Once the foam hardened, it became one continuous layer that blocks sound and holds in heat. After that, he added a layer of particle board on top, creating a floor that's solid, warm, and nearly silent. So how well did it work? The neighbors downstairs couldn't hear footsteps anymore. No music, no voices, nothing. They honestly thought Vitaly had moved out. And this is where it gets interesting. Vitaly turned the idea into a business. He charges about $200 per balcony and now makes over $1,000 a month. His schedule is fully booked for the next month. The irony? The same neighbors who used to complain about the noise are now pooling money to have him do the exact same upgrade in their own apartments. So here's the real question. If something like this actually worked, would you soundproof your home once and for all?